Alright guys, today I'm attempting to make some of the most viral popular TikTok food trends I've seen. The only catch is that I actually really suck at cooking, as you'll see later in the video, but I'm starting off with these frozen gummy bears. And if you're anything like me, you've been seeing these all over every single social media platform For You page. And the way I saw everyone do it was by soaking it in Sprite and allowing it to freeze and crystallize a little. It came out. Look at how cute. I'm rating this like a solid 8 out of 10, I think. The next food I attempted to make was this thing called dried yogurt, which was a lot more complicated, but basically by wrapping it in paper towels and compressing it for a while, you can squeeze all the water out of it to make it have a dry texture.
3 days later.
So it's definitely shrunken in size. I'm just hoping that means that it's getting dry enough. I have my dried yogurt here, or whatever you can even call this at this point. It's like not moving. Oh, last but certainly not least, we're gonna be making arguably what I'm most excited for, which is Dubai chocolate. So after whatever disaster the dried yogurt was, I was a little bit hesitant to try and start this new project too. But then I just went for it and trusted myself and oh my god, it's burning. Oh, it's burning. Oh, it's smoke. Oh, okay. So yeah, let's just say my kataifi was a little bit extra crispy than normal. But at this point, my kitchen was already a mess anyway, so I just decided to finish it and be done. Am I a fatty? Yes. But does that matter? No. You only live once, so might as well be fat and happy, These are all things I just tell myself to go to sleep easier that night. But honestly, all in all, this Dubai chocolate was actually really not bad. It was honestly a 10 out of 10. But if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe down below. Love y'all. Bye.